The construction of Manga Stadium is being done in phase 1 and part in phase 2, which is complete. And also, there will also be minor works to be done between now and September to make it operationalized. We put some money budget players, particularly at the open and lessons of emergency, and also to guard. There are some awareness which needs to guard the players from the public. So in essence, other than the two foundations and the function, the pavilion, the statue will be ready for operation. Overall, it has taken 189 million up to this stage. Number 2, active youth programs. We have some like marathon is for the youth, which we used to do it around April, but because of unavoidable circumstances, the calendar was put in September. Another one we want to start is Governor's Football Cup to cover the whole county. There is also an ICT app which is complete. We are waiting for computers. I think by the end of this month, we should be training young people, particularly online jobs. Online jobs. The class we will build here will take 35 students at a go for 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, we arrange how to get a loan for a laptop if you don't have. If you can afford, you can buy it on your own. But if you don't, you cannot manage because not everybody is agreement with the cash. We give you a loan to pay at a minimum interest rates, which will cover the operational cost of the loan operation, and you'll be given 2 months grace period, and then you pay according to your capacity. But I know once you are trained to achieve jobs, the minimum you will get income is 20,000 per month. Others get up to 100. You know, once you are acclimatized, you increase your speed and the time you give it. You talked about mapping youth partner programs. That's a welcome issue. Currently, the respect of we have partners with practical action. This is an organization which supports youth in agribusiness. So far, they have engaged 1,100, and in 5 years, they should have achieved 10,000. We sent an MOU, and they are already in action. We are mapping other partners to assist us engage you. Number